In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed or add music player in GoDaddy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clean, working audio player on your site using GoDaddy's websites plus marketing editor and a SoundCloud embed. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy, then click the official GoDaddy website from the results. Sign into your account so you can access your site settings and editor. Once you're in, look to the top right of the page and click your account name to open the menu. From there, select My Products. This is where GoDaddy lists everything connected to your account. Scroll to find the Websites plus Marketing section. That's the website builder we'll be using. Pick the website you want to work on and click. Manage to open the controls for that site. Next, choose Edit Website to launch the visual editor. You'll see your site preview on the right and the editing controls on the left. Decide where you want the music player to appear. When you're ready, click the plus icon to add a new section in that spot. A panel will open with different section types. Choose Audio and Video to see media-related options, then select Audio. You'll be presented with several ways to add audio. For this tutorial, choose the option to embed a track or playlist from SoundCloud. This creates a dedicated audio section designed to accept an embed code. Now paste your SoundCloud embed code into the field provided. Tip: make sure you're using the actual embed code, not just the share link. If you already have the code copied from SoundCloud, you can drop it straight in. Most embed codes let you control basic settings within the code, like player size and whether certain controls are visible. Keep the player width and height reasonable so it looks good on desktop and mobile. After pasting, the editor will show a preview so you can confirm the track or playlist loads correctly and the player looks the way you want. If the player doesn't appear, double-check that the code is complete and that it starts with the standard iframe format provided by SoundCloud. Also verify that the track or playlist is public and allowed to be embedded. For a consistent look, consider placing the audio section near related content, like an artist bio, a podcast description, or show notes, and give the section a clear title so visitors know what they're listening to. That's it. You've added a music player to your GoDaddy site using the built-in audio section and a SoundCloud embed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your audio with your audience.